morning. So the plan today is to shave, clean my room, clean up the side yard, and then go work. And then when we come back, we need to test before we go to work. We're gonna test the Matrix O2 sensor, and then we're gonna go to work. When we come back, we're gonna mess around on the R3. We're gonna try to remember that we need to buy a gas can today. We also need to buy packaging tape. He says, walk me first. It's not that constant like sound in your head that is telling me to stop and that I'm just being stupid or whatever. I mean, I feel like I've gained some value out of this, but at the same time, on top of that, I've lost a few subscribers since starting, and it just kind of sucks. I understand it's whatever. You don't want to watch me, that's fine, but I don't know. I just want to keep moving forward, and I hope other people want to keep moving forward too. And this, I feel like, is going to help me do that. I almost just quit today. I was like, it's not really worth it. I should just not daily vlog. I should do one day. And then now I've made it more of a challenge for myself, can I do this? Can I do this for a whole year? Probably not. It's super hard. So we got the laundry in, and I forgot we left this on last night, which is good because it is full now. All right. I think partially why I feel sort of disconnected from my generation is there's a lot of people in my generation are very cynical and have a lot of cynicism and are extremely sarcastic and stuff. And I think I'm more I can be those things, but I think I'm more of a sincere and more of a romantic person. But I'm also just a terrible human being like everyone else. I'm gonna say some real, honest, personal stuff right now. So, yeah. I hate this mustache because I honestly feel like I look like my stepdad, which really pisses me off. Clutch. Being a hairy dog is it can be a lot of work, but you get used to it after a while. It's currently 10 o'clock. I'm gonna finish editing and uploading some videos, and then we're gonna go check out the Matrix. Sometimes I just get lost doodling. We've armed ourselves with knowledge from the YouTubes. So first we need to, so there's two oxygen sensors. There's an upstream and a downstream. So up is before the cat, down is after the cat. First we need to check to see if they're getting a supply of voltage. If they are getting a supply of voltage, then we need to check to see if there's resistance in the heater part of it, and then we need to check if it's sending a voltage. So let's go do that. It's pretty vile over here, glass and stuff like that. I'm probably gonna move it. Ooh, it smells nice in here. Okay, it does start. Yeah, check engine light. I know you don't care. It's just a car. It's cool though. I mean, the idle really rough. So the actual engine code we're getting is about the power control module failure. I originally did some research online, and it seems like that code is likely due to the downstream cat. But after watching some videos, it seems like the upstream oxygen sensor is responsible for sending information to what they said was the ECU. So I don't know. We're gonna test the oxygen sensor first. This thing is actually really nice, but there is the upstream O2 sensor, and then looking from the passenger side, you kind of just go down.
and then right here you'll have access to it. And it looks like the wire is going up into the cabin.
As far as keeping your strength up, I would say knee pads are like the best because it'll keep you going for a lot longer, and it doesn't, like your back won't hurt tomorrow. And yeah, I don't know, for me, I love knee pads. Okay, so I removed the doormat, and this clip is just like a press out. So you just kind of pull it out. And right here is the oxygen sensor. Okay, so likely the plug is supplying the right power. So we're going to, I guess, check the upstream one. That's the upstream cat. Keys on accessory. So here we got 3.3 volts there. 3 volts. And 12 there. So yeah, we have the right voltage where we're supposed to have it. What is wrong with you, BK? Can't you speak like a normal human? Ah! I'm not sure how long it's going to take for the O2 sensor to heat up, but I just checked and it's not sending any signals. What is that sound, man? Is something wrong with this car? Is it blown up? Now is get it warmed up, if it will warm up, and then see if we can get a variable reading from either the downstream or the upstream. I'm going to guess the upstream is broken. Leave it in the comments. What do you think? Do you think the O2 sensor is wrong, or is there something else going on? And if so, which one, up or down? Yeah, see, we're getting a fluctuating signal. So now we have to strategize. It likely is the upstream oxygen sensor, but it has to get up to room temperature, so pulling one from our junkyard doesn't make sense because we can't really actually test it. So I should probably order them. I will look online to see how much they are. Thought I'd check eBay here a little bit, and I think this is the same part. Yep, same part. Protein. So this means we have like 5 days. That isn't it sick that we got it on eBay for half price. So we used Rock Auto to get the right part number. But I'm so happy about that. On top, so it's gonna be about 5 days before we get it. So we have to use the yard till then. So let's hope that it doesn't blow up. And yeah, I'm gonna go work and I'll catch up with you later. Things cool. Hell yeah. We will not get the packaging tape today, but gas can. 2 gallons, 23. 5 gallons, 28. That's strange. $22. I'll likely get the packaging tape tomorrow, because I also need to puppy. So the dash was pretty uneventful. Not much happened besides like that weird canceled order. But yeah, I thought a lot about stuff today. I don't know. I've been trying to push back the like self-hate and all this from even deciding to start this project, and it's like, yeah, but we're just gonna keep moving forward. The rest of today is gonna be, we still have some stew and mushrooms left, so we're gonna eat that. Tomorrow we'll make some meals for the next few days, and then I'm going to siphon gas later. I'm gonna take a bit of a break, watch some YouTube videos after we finish this walk, and then we're going to siphon some gas from the Z and put it in the R3, and then we'll ride it around a bit, and then we'll call it a night. Think about today that I wanted to kind of ask everybody is, I noticed that I tend to pick like 5 to 10 songs and I play them over and over and over again, sometimes for whole weeks or months. Some songs I'll play over again for like years. I have a few songs I've been playing for the last like 5 years almost every day. So what occurred to me, what I'm doing is sort of becoming like familiar with the song, and then it becomes comforting, almost like a blanket. And I don't know if anybody understands that or it resonates or relates to you. I would just appreciate you reaching out, letting me know. Or otherwise, if there's any like current songs that you're just listening to and vibing with, I would appreciate you sharing them as well.
It's like 8:30, and I have a gas can, and I have a wand thing that goes.
So here is the filler neck access hole on the Z31. So what we will do is remove these screws here.
Caught on something. Oh, there it is. Put some duct tape on it because that fixes everything, right? Hopefully, it'll at least get us enough to get some of this gas out. Without spilling. We got about that much gas out of the Z. So, not bad.
Dark B-roll. Oh yeah, nighttime B-roll, so sick. Oh shit, what? Yo. It looks kind of cool. I like it. It's weird, the light like chops, because we still have this like fender cut. It like chops the light, you see? It makes like an eyeball shape. It's pretty cool. It's a little late to be kind of revving it out. It's nice that it starts. It seems like it runs fine. The back brake, I think something's wrong with the foot pedal. It doesn't like quite engage properly. There's that distinct plastic smell. And other than that, it doesn't really seem like it hesitates or anything really like that. The clutch feels pretty good. The shifter, there's a lot of looseness. Everything feels very loose. So, yeah, I think we're going to kind of go over it a little bit tomorrow or the next day, depending on what happens tomorrow. But, yeah, I had a lot of fun. I'm not even sure
I'm not even sure how to begin to like wheelie this thing. It doesn't feel like it has enough power to do that. And the way the wheelbase is and stuff, but I've seen people online do it, so maybe we can. We just gotta learn and get, get good. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you are striving towards a personal goal, please let me know. If you're struggling with something, it's okay to ask for help. There are others around you who will likely be there for you, even though you might not feel like that's the case. I love you. Take care of yourself. I'll see you tomorrow.